Macy, go look in the snow cave. Let's look in the snow cave. There's a snow cave. Yeah, look at that. Okay, guys. Here we go. It's as high almost as the lights there. And you can see where it goes to the light there. And here it is at the front door. Yay. Macy, how high is it? That's pretty darn high. Yeah, it's pretty darn high. What are you... Is there something in there? I bet there is something in there, Macy. But I don't think you're going to get to it. I don't think this is gettable. Okay. Macy. Macy girl. Macy. Yoo-hoo. Macy, let me see your face. Macy. Macy, come here. Macy, where are you going? Macy. Macy, come on. There we go. Let's see that face. That is a snow face. Yeah. Where are you going? Hopefully there's something in there. Something is in there, Yeah. Let's not go in there, guys, huh? Yeah, I don't know if we'd ever get you out again.